Leonardo just loves art supplies, as you would suspect, and in here are the canvas boards that I'm fixing to put in my suitcase to take to our workshop in Gaujac, France. And boy, he's had the best time. He's been in this box. He's been in this box. What are you after now? Leonardo, what are you doing? What are you doing? What's in there? What's in there? Can you find it? What's in there? Do you want to open it up and check it out? I put 3 coats of gesso on each one. Do you want to go with us? No, you don't want to go with us. You're going to stay and see Miss Linda. But do check it out. Is everything okay in there? Is everything okay? Oh, I hope so. Let's see. What do you think? You've done a good job opening it up. I'm so glad you found them. I put wax paper in between. Good job, Leonardo. Good job. Good job. Love you. Leo is back at it again. Did you find anything wonderful? What did you find in there? Just wonderful art supplies? Wonderful things? Well, you keep looking. It'll all work out.